morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now, in our previous class, we have studied about the women revolution. Did women really participated in the French Revolution or not? And in this, we have seen that women actively participated in the events that brought about the changes in the French society. So, next further, we have seen that they means in order to discuss and voice their interest, women started their own political clubs also and newspaper also to means to show that what all means what type of life they are living in French society. So for that they had started their own political clubs and newspaper and two political main important clubs we have seen about the Society of Revolutionary and Republic Republican Women. Then next further we have seen that being disappointed by the Constitution of 1791 which reduced these women into the passive citizens. They demanded the right to vote, and then they were right to vote plus elected to assembly and hold public offices. These were the demands put forward by women because they were very much disappointed by the Constitution of 1799, 1791, which considered themselves, I mean them, that is the women as passive citizens. Further, we have seen that revolutionary government was there then took steps in favor of the government. Sorry, in favor of the uh, women. The revolutionary government introduced many new laws which helped to improve the lives of the women, and in that it made compulsory schooling for all the women, all the girls. No forced marriages was there. Now marriages were made in the contract entered freely registered in civil law also. No longer force them into marriage against will. Plus divorce made legal and could be applied for both men and women. These were the few steps which were taken in favor of women. And they could be trained for jobs and run small business also. This was also the step taken to improve the life of women. Then next is we have also seen further that movements for equal political rights, however, continued over the next 200 years, and finally they had achieved. Means the women in France won the right to vote in 1946. So this all we have read in our previous class. Today we are going to start with the abolition. Means abolition of slavery. Also, I think I we have started this and I had made you about clear about the slave trade. Abolition of slavery was one of the revolutionary social reform of Jacobins. So to abolish, to make an end of slavery in French colonies was the main aim of the Jacobins. When their government was there, when Robespierre government was there, they wanted to totally abolish the slavery. And in this we have read about the slave trade also, the triangular slave trade between Europe, Africa, and Americans. Now, many times this short note on slave trade, short note on slave trade is asked, or it can be asked, describe the triangular slave trade that was carried on in 18th and 19th century. So 18th and 19th century slave trade, you have to discuss about this. That is, it was between the three countries, Europe, Africa, and Americans, and it began in the 17th century, where the French merchants means the French traders used to sail. कहाँ से सेल करते थे वो बोडेक्स एंड नैंटीज कोस्ट से जो जो
Ma'am,
था यस हेलो
ma'am, I'm not be able to hear your voice. Can you please speak loudly?
everybody same. Are you all not able to hear my voice?
Ma'am, your voice is clear.
Yes.
Who is not able to hear my voice? कौन नहीं सुनाई पड़ रहा है? Because I'm just close to the mic only. Hello, check your device, beta. Hello, am I audible? The one who had come.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then Bordeaux and Nantes were the two ports from which the French merchants used to sail to African coast. To the African coast, and where they were from where these merchants, French merchants, used to bring the slaves from the local chieftains. Local chieftains means local leaders. They used to bring the means slaves from the African coast, African uh, country, and then these slaves are brought to French colonies by the merchants in very bad condition. That means they were branded, brand किया जाता था उनकी body पे. They were shackled, उनको chain से बांध दिया जाता था. They were packed tightly into the ships for 3 months long voyage, and then they had to sail across the Atlantic to the Caribbean. Why they had slaves are brought to the Caribbean? Why these slaves are brought? That reason why I had explained yesterday. Why these slaves are brought to the Caribbean? Hello. Why the slaves were brought to the Caribbean?
Ma'am, to sold to plantation owner.
Yes, to sell it to sell them to the plantation owners. Why to sell them to the plantation owners? Because there was shortage of labor on the plantation. Shortage of labor हो गया था plantation में. Why it was the shortage of labor in the plantation? Because the Europeans had denied to go and work in the unfamiliar lands. कुछ दूर जगहों पे जाकर के उन्होंने काम करना, कैरिबियन आइलैंड्स वगैरह पे जाकर के उन्होंने काम करना बंद कर दिया था, मना कर दिया था. दैट इज व्हाई देयर वाज शॉर्टेज ऑफ लेबर इन ऑन द प्लांटेशन. और इसीलिए ये स्लेव ट्रेड शुरू हुआ, सो दैट द स्लेव्स कैन बी ब्रॉट on in the plantation. Now it is clear why the slaves were brought from the African countries.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the exploitation of slave labor made it possible to meet the growing demands in the European market for sugar, coffee, and indigo. Now, the exploitation of slave labor. Slaves were very much exploited, and then after the exploitation of these slaves, which were brought from Africa, there was possible of growing to meet the demands of the market, European markets, that is for sugar, coffee, and indigo. उसके बाद वो यूरोपियन मार्केट हैंडल कर सका कि वो शुगर कॉफी और इंडिगो प्रॉपरली ग्रो कर सके when they had the proper slaves to, or we can say labor, to work for them on the plantation. Then port cities like Bordeaux and Nantes owned their economic prosperity to the flourishing slave trade. Now this slave trade was very flourished between these three countries, European, Africa, and Americans, and that is why, due to this, these two ports, that is Bordeaux and Nantes, had economic prosperity. इससे economic prosperity कौन से two ports को ही? Bordeaux and Nantes को. Why? Because the French merchants used to travel from these two ports only. I hope till here it is clear.
Okay.
Now, throughout the 18th century, there was little criticism of slavery in France. Now, throughout the 18th century, criticism of slavery means few people were against this slave trade. That means they were not in favor of the slavery. The National Assembly held long debates about whether the rights of man should be extended to all French subjects, including those in the colonies. Now, the colonies, the French colonies, the National Assembly had the discussions about that whether the rights which are provided to the citizens of the France, that rights should be given to the subject. Subject means the French citizens which are in the colonies also. Colonies means the territories which were included under the supremacy of फ्रेंच. तो उन लोगों को ये लगता था कि जो फ्रांस के सिटीजन्स को मिल रही है तो वही राइट्स कॉलोनीज में भी कॉलोनीज के सिटीजन्स को भी दिया जाए कि नहीं. बट इट डिड नॉट पास एनी लॉ fearing opposition from businessmen who whose income demanded on the slave trade. और ये जो कॉलोनीज थी स्लेव्स की, ये नेशनल असेंबली tried to held long debates. They wanted to give the rights to the colonies also, to the slaves, to these slaves also. But they were afraid. They had a fear because might be the business class people who used to earn income due to the slave trade only. Slave trade से ही उनको पैसा बनाने को मिलता था. They might not favor the national assembly. और इसी fear से national assembly ने इसके लिए कोई रूल कोई लॉ नहीं इम्प्लीमेंट किया for the rights of the men in the colonies. It was finally the convention. Finally, what happened? The convention, which in 1794 legislated to free all slaves in French overseas possessions. That means in 1794, the convention finally took the decision to free all the slaves in the French overseas possession. French overseas possession means the French colonies. ओवरसीज पोजेशन पोजेशन मीन्स क्या, जो अपने अंडर में ले लिया है, अपनी सुप्रीमेसी में ले लिया है. तो क्या लिया था उन्होंने? कॉलोनीज, फ्रेंच कॉलोनीज जो थी जिसमें स्लेव्स इंक्लूड थे, वो उनको फाइनली क्या, नेशनल असेंबली ने कोई स्टेप नहीं लिया. दे वर ओनली डिस्कसिंग बट दे डिड नॉट पास एनी particular law about it to give the rights to the slaves also. But the convention, which in 1794 they legislated, they made the law to free all slaves in the French colonies. Clear? This, however, turned out to be a short-term measure. 10 years later, Napoleon reintroduced slavery. अब ये जो कन्वेंशन ने जो ये डिसीजन लिया था, ये लॉ पास किया था, इट वाज ओनली द शॉर्ट टर्म मेजर. और थोड़ी समय के बाद ही वापस नेपोलियन जब आया कन्वेंशन के बाद, तो ही री इंट्रोड्यूस स्लेवरी, उन्होंने स्लेवरी को वापस इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया. प्लांटेशन ओनर्स अंडरस्टूड देयर फ्रीडम एज इंक्लूडिंग द राइट टू enslave French Negroes in pursuit of their economic interests. Slavery was finally abolished in French colonies in 1848. Finally, slavery was abolished in 1848 in the French colonies also. Why? Because now, once the plantation slaves, the plantation owners understood that their freedom, as including the right to enslave African Negroes, is pursuit of their economic interest. That means it was only limited. The plantation owners now understood it clearly that to have the right on the slave was only one and only their own only interest in, and that too that economic interest for them. So the Negroes, here African Negroes. Negroes means the term used for the indigenous people of African south of Sahara. That means indigenous people means properly local African people. They were termed as Negroes at that time. And finally, the slavery was abolished in French colonies in 1848. धीरे धीरे प्लांटेशन ओनर्स को भी समझ में आ गया था कि जो ये स्लेव्स रख रहे हैं, this is only for them, their economic interest only, and they also became a type of means against it, and finally it was abolished in French colonies in 1848. Now, the revolution and everyday life. Now we will talk about the revolution and what was the condition of the citizens in everyday life. Can politics change the clothes people wear, the language they speak, or the books they read? The years following, that is 1789 in France, saw many such changes in the lives of men, women, and children due to the political changes. Now as we are also aware that जैसे जैसे लाइफ में मीन्स पॉलिटिकल सोशल इकोनॉमिक बैकग्राउंड में चेंजेस आते रहते हैं, वैसे वैसे ही सिटीजन्स के men के life में भी changes आते हैं, society में भी changes आने लगते हैं. The same thing happened here. The year following 1789 के बाद जो years आए उसमें क्या हुआ, उसमें बहुत सारे changes देखने को मिले in the life of men, women and children. The revolutionary government, now the place was taken by the revolutionary government. It took it upon themselves to pass laws that would translate the ideals of liberty and equality to everyday practice. Now the laws, the rules and regulations, the government came in the hands of the revolutionary government, and then it passed the law. What to give really means in reality to give the liberty equality to the people in everyday practice, means every day the people should get liberty, that means freedom and equality. One important law that came into effect soon after the storming of Bastille in summer of 1789 was the abolition of censorship. Now, abolition of censorship means freedom of press. फ्रीडम ऑफ प्रेस, प्रेस का जो फ्रीडम था वो एकदम से खत्म कर दिया गया था, अबॉलिशन कर दिया गया था. इन द ओल्ड रिजाइम ऑल रिटन मटेरियल एंड कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज, क्या क्या थे ओल्ड रिजाइम में बिफोर द रेवोल्यूशन. The old regime, what was old regime? We have already understood what was the old regime. Which period is
France
talking
before
about?
1789.
1789.
तो ओल्ड रिजाइम क्या है? Institutions and societies which were described as before 1789. So before 1789 क्या था कि censorship, abolition of censorship हो गया था कि the books, newspaper, plays could be published or performed only after they had been approved by the censors of the king. Means जब तक कि किंग अप्रूव नहीं करेगा, nothing could be published, neither book nor newspaper, plays or any pamphlets or all without the means consideration of king. King की yes होगी तभी books और newspaper publish होगा. Now the Declaration of Rights of Men and Citizens proclaim freedom of speech and expression to be the natural rights. Now the freedom of speech and expression were the natural rights, means they were to be given to the citizens naturally. So the declaration, according to the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen, these were the rights. Freedom of speech and expression were the natural rights to be given by the government, and they were getting, the citizens were getting by nature. Newspaper, pamphlets, books, and printed pictures flooded the towns of France, from where they traveled rapidly into the countryside. But जब ये डिक्लेरेशन मिला, राइट्स मिले, ये नेचुरल राइट्स मिले, तब ये न्यूज़पेपर, पैम्पलेट्स, बुक्स एंड ये जब जो भी रिटन मटेरियल था ये स्प्रेड होने लगा फ्रेंच सोसाइटी में. But before that, means in the old regime, the totally the whatever to be published, whether it is book or newspaper, it was that without the approval of king it will not be published. But when the Declaration of Rights were given, these newspaper pamphlets were published and it was spread in the countryside. Countryside means har jagah, village, cities, everywhere these pamphlets, newspaper were published and spread out. They all described and discussed the events and changes taking place in the France. Now, what all these newspaper pamphlets were publishing? They were giving the knowledge about the changes and the events which are taking place in France. So, what these newspaper pamphlets and books were discussing, they were giving the means a type of knowledge to the people, to the common man, that what type of events and changes are taking place in France society. Freedom of press also meant that opposing views of events could be expressed. Each side sought to be convinced the others of its position through the medium of print. Now, freedom of press also meant, freedom of press means जब freedom मिल गई press को, it can publish anything that opposing views of events, कुछ भी event होता है government में, then if they are not satisfied with that proper law or order, they can oppose their views and they can express it, and through that they can spread also to the public, and through the medium of print. Plays, songs, and festive procession attracted large number of people. Now many plays were written, songs were sung, and festive procession. Festive procession means बहुत से बड़ी बड़ी रैलीज वी कैन से फेस्टिवल में जो रैलीज निकलती है ना, रिलीजियस रैलीज टाइप, तो उस टाइप से रैलीज निकाली गई टू अट्रैक्ट द पीपल, टू नो अबाउट द condition of France, and to make them aware about the freedom of speech and expression. This was one way that photographs and identify with ideas such as liberty or justice that political philosophers wrote about the length in the text which only a handful of educated people could read. Now, previously, whatever the philosophers, political philosophers we have read, which political philosophers we have read about? Which political philosophers we have read about? Hello? बेटा, you did not read the lesson. जैसे जैसे मैं पढ़ाती हूँ लर्न करके और याद रखने की
John
कोशिश करो,
Locke.
because these are the small questions which can be 1 mark questions that can be asked. Rousseau, Montesquieu, and John Locke.
And John Locke.
These were the political philosophers. They wrote the things, they published the things, and that was only to till means limited to the educated people who were educated. Now from the plays, song, and rallies, that is festive procession and all, large people who were not educated also, they these festive processions, plays, and song used to grab the attention of these people also, and they used to give them the idea of what liberty, equality, those ideals. Okay, equality before law, justice, and all. Clear till here? The French Revolution, everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अब हम कंक्लूजन पे आ गए हैं, लेसन कंप्लीट हो गया ऑलमोस्ट, वी आर कमिंग ऑन द कंक्लूजन. सो no doubt should be there in your minds. No problem. I will share the notes of the whole lesson, topic wise, plus question and answers. Question and answers of the lesson. Textbook questions. These textbook questions I'm going to share it to you in the group. Are you all hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ग्रुप
ma'am.
में मैं आपको
Yes, ma'am.
ग्रुप में मैं आपको नोट्स दूंगी. वो नोट्स तो आपको आपके पास सेफली रखने हैं, ठीक है ना. एक ही पीडीएफ दूंगी मैं, उसमें आपको नोट्स भी है और आपके क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स भी है. तो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दैट इज ओनली द टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू डू. अगर कोई एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस दिया है, you will not do that. You have to do only, you have to stick to the textbook questions only. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ये जो टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चंस है वही आपको करने हैं जो पीडीएफ में दिए गए हैं. इन द पीडीएफ जो कोई टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर दिए वही करने हैं, ठीक है. बाकी जो एक्स्ट्रा चीजें दिया है पीडीएफ में, वो जस्ट इट इज फॉर योर नॉलेज. आपको अपने पास सेफली उसको संभाल कर रखना है, बाद में वापस मांगना नहीं. मैं एक बार आपको पीडीएफ सेंड कर दूंगी, यू हैव टू कीप इट सेफली. चाहे आप उसको प्रिंट करवा कर रखो, चाहे कैसा भी रखो. Clear? It is overall, we can say, a type of summary of each and every topic. And in that PDF, a separate PDF also I will give it to you about the map. That will be the map activity. क्या होगा उसमें? मैप होगा, उसमें आपको एक क्वेश्चन भी लिखा हुआ होगा मैप का. इसमें बॉर्डेक्स, नैंटीज, मर्सिलीज और एक और चीज मार्क करनी पड़ेगी आपको. आई विल टेल इट टू यू, बताती हूँ आपको भी. हाँ, पेरिस ऑल्सो, पेरिस, बॉर्डेक्स, मर्सिलीज एंड नैंटीज, ये 4 आपको प्लेसेस मार्क करनी पड़ेगी उस मैप में. और वो फ्रेंच का मैप है, तो मैं वो फ्रेंच का मैप एज इट इज दूंगी, ब्लैंक दूंगी, और आंसर्स उसके नीचे लिखे हुए हैं ABCD करके, ठीक है ना. तो वो जो फ्रेंच का जो मैप दूंगी मैं आपको, वो आपको फोटोकॉपी करवाना है, ठीक है ना. फोटोकॉपी करवा करके आप उसको फिर उसमें आप वो फिलअप करके और वो पेस्ट करोगे नोटबुक में. आई होप इट इज क्लियर.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
what
ma'am.
what to do in the notebook? In the notebook, first of all, you have to
Only
write down.
textbook.
First of all, you have to write down lesson 1, history, and all the textbook questions, name of the lesson, textbook question, plus the map activity which is given to you, which will be given to you and shared to you in the group. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
और ये कर
Yes,
रखो.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This time notebooks will be asked for the correction purpose. Okay? So आप काम पूरा complete करके रख लेना. जैसे ही मैं आज की डेट में मैं आपको भेज दूंगी. Now conclusion.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. In 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself Emperor of France. Now, after the coming of means convention भी खत्म हो गई, abolish हो गई. उससे पहले revolutionary government भी means abolish हो गई. Jacobins government भी abolish हो गई. Lastly क्या हो गया? In 1804, you can underline this. 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself as Emperor of France. He set out to conquer neighboring European countries, disposing dynasties and creating kingdoms where he placed members of his family. अब उसने एक के बाद एक he started conquering the neighboring European countries. Now he wanted to expand his empire. So to expand his empire, he started conquering the neighboring European countries, and whatever neighboring countries he conquered, वहाँ उनके kingdoms में he used to place his own family members, अपनी खुद की family members का कोई भी person उस का administration देखने के लिए उस particular area जो उन्होंने नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट ने कॉन्कर किया है उसका एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन देखने के लिए वो अपना फैमिली मेंबर वहां पर प्लेस कर देता था. होप टिल हियर इट इज क्लियर. So Emperor of France was Napoleon Bonaparte in 1804 to expand his territories, to expand his empire. He conquered many European countries, neighboring European countries, and in those conquered neighboring countries, he used to place a member of his family to take care of the administration. Clear? Then Napoleon saw his role as a modernizer of Europe. Now, according to Napoleon, he was a modernizer of Europe. Modernizer of Europe means to bring modernity in European society. He introduced many laws such as protection of private property. Now, many laws were introduced. Which laws? Protection of private property. Private property को protect करना, and uniform system of weight and measures. This was another law which was passed. Now you can mark this. This is the first, that is protection of private property. Second, uniform system of measures, weight and measures. Third, provided by the this is full, weight and measures provided by the decimal system. Decimal system be introduced करा इसने. Initially many saw Napoleon as a liberator. बहुत से पहले लोगों ने सोचा कि he is a liberator. Liberator means वो उनको एक तरीके से फ्रीडम देने आया है फॉर द पीपल, लोगों के साथ अच्छा करने आया है. बट सून द नेपोलियनिक आर्मीज कम टू बी रिव्यूड एवरीवेयर एज इन्वेडिंग फोर्सेस. धीरे धीरे लोगों को पता लगा कि नेपोलियन की जो आर्मीज है वो सिर्फ क्या है, दे आर कमिंग एज एन इन्वेडिंग फोर्स. वो सिर्फ अपनी सुप्रीमेसी उनके ऊपर अपना मीन्स फोर्स जमाने के लिए आई है. They only wanted to bring them under the supremacy, to bring these citizens of European countries under their supremacy. He was finally defeated. Now, finally, Napoleon was also defeated in at Waterloo in 1815. Underline this. When was Napoleon Bonaparte defeated? Napoleon Bonaparte was defeated in 1815 at Waterloo. The place is Waterloo. Many of his measures that claimed the revolutionary ideas of liberty and modern laws to other parts of Europe had an impact on people long after Napoleon had left. Now Napoleon has left, Napoleon was no more, but the ideas, the laws which he had given, that is the idea of liberty and the modern laws. Modern laws means the protection of private property and uniform system of weight and measures provided by decimal system. These were remembered, or these were having a great impact on the minds of European people after the Napoleon left also. The ideas of liberty and democratic rights were the most important legacy of French Revolution. Most important legacy. Legacy means most important part of French Revolution was the ideas of liberty and democratic rights. वही चीज उनको चाहिए थी French Revolution में. They wanted, totally they were stick to the liberty and democratic rights, and these spread from France to rest Europe during the 19th century, where feudal system was abolished. अब वहां पर feudal system, ये जो ideas था liberty and democratic rights का, ये other European countries में भी spread हो गया, where feudal system was abolished, जहां पर ये सामंतवाद system, the landlord system, वो खत्म हो गया था. Colonized people reworked the idea of freedom from bondage into their movements to create the sovereign national state. So colonized people, जो लोगों को slave के रूप में, colonies के रूप में एक तरीके से बंदी बना कर रखा गया था, they also started the movement so that they can create a free nation state in which they had their own rules and regulations, and nobody is governing on them. Now, this idea, Tipu Sultan and Ram Mohan Roy, you can underline this. Tipu Sultan and Ram Mohan Roy, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, are the two examples of individuals who responded to the ideas coming from revolutionary France. Tipu Sultan और राजा राम मोहन रॉय, ये भी बहुत मोटिवेट हुए ये आइडिया, फ्रांस के ये आइडिया से. कौन से आइडिया से? Which ideas? Ideas of liberty and democratic rights. Clear? Hope till here it is clear, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I have left the sources. You can go through the sources. आप एक बार सिर्फ पढ़ लेना. जो ये sources है ना, ये source F, source B, ये एक बार just go through हो जाना, पढ़ लेना. But the most important thing is you have to do the question answers, textbook questions in the notebook neatly and carefully with the French map attached to it in the notebook itself. Clear? Hope it is clear.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So that's all for today. In our next class, we are going to start with political science.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow be ready with the political science book with you. Clear? और अभी ये पढ़ लेना, कुछ समझ में नहीं आए, if any doubt you can ask me in tomorrow's class also. That's all for today. Thank you.